Hello, my dear. Welcome back. It's time to leave the world behind and listen to a story. This is Sarah, and this is her small cat. They are best friends. One day, the little cat goes out the door. He wants to see the big world. Sarah cannot find her cat. She is worried. She looks out the window for her cat. Sarah goes to the neighbors. She knocks on their door. An old lady comes to the door. Sarah shows her a picture of her cat. Have you seen my cat? Sarah walks slowly down the street. She is very sad. Where is my cat? Oh, look, he's under the car. Oh, wait. An old lady finds the lost cat. The old lady brings the cat to Sarah. Sarah is so happy. She cries as she hugs her friend. The old lady is happy too. Finally, the young girl sits on her stairs with the cat. They are together again in the beautiful sunset.